take you there like it was the first time. Do you remember?
We're in Barcelona right now, and streets are so pretty. Just like that. We're walking to Casa Mila right now, which is right in front. I really love the weather, and it looks so pretty here. Look at this. It's so pretty. We're inside of Casa Mila. Ta-da! This is cod fish. We have the potato omelette, and then we have grilled squid. We're at Park Goal. Okay, we just reached our third location. Oh my god, it's freaking freezing. And then so we had lunch. We're gonna go in now. So I booked the stuff on Klook, and then we could pass through really fast. So book your tickets, guys. Oh, you can see the skyline. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. We're at Sagrada right now. Sagrada. And then looks like that. It's huge. We walked 30 minutes here. It was like that. We're gonna have a tea break. Chocolate cannoli. My first time in Spain's, like Barcelona's metro. Quite cool. Going to Gothic Quarter right now, and then we're gonna go for dinner at Bodega La Palma. So I'm excited. Ooh, it's super cold today. Like, I just changed into my New Balances and jeans. Can't believe I was walking in heels for 18 km. No, 18 steps for today. I'm gonna go get dinner. today we're at La Vacuria market, and then there's so many nice food, so we're just gonna go. I'm excited. Let's go and feast. Let's go in. Eggs. It smells so good. Wow. Oh my god, we just got here and we just saw this. Cathedral of Barcelona. We're at Barcelona Arc de Triomphe. It looks like that. We're at Palace Cataluna, and then this one is the Ibero Star. Suddenly super sleepy. I don't know if it's jet lag. Carbonara, calamari, some grilled prawns. Our first paella. We are in Zara right now. We're at La Rambla. Hello. Octopus? Roasted octopus? 我也不知道吧，很好吃。好吃。Iberico pork rib. Let's try. 没有这样好吃。pork rib 好吃。We're going to Madrid right now, so it's the last day in Barcelona. Very, very excited for Madrid, and we're taking a train. Remember to print out your tickets. Yeah, I'm getting my coffee right now. My logo. So I booked an Uber van. It's actually really easy to book Uber. And thank you. I'm gonna go. We're at the train station right now at Barcelona Saints. Took an Uber here. $13, 13 euros for a huge Mercedes van. Pretty worth it. Then we also booked our train tickets on Omio, which is a Europe train app. Quite convenient, and we also printed out the tickets, so that's the way to go. We're just waiting. 2 hours and 45 minutes to Madrid. We just reached Madrid and it's super beautiful here. To show you guys. Just right outside our hotel is little street, and then we're staying at Vinci de Mine. That looks so pretty here. Very, very nice. Oh, this is my view. We're having lunch right now, and we're at this pizza bar, which is just 2 minutes walk away from our hotel. So pretty, and it's also highly rated on Google. Let's see, it looks kind of cute. It's so cold here. We're in Madrid and it's 7 degrees. We are not prepared for it. I'm gonna go look for my beanie right now. I am so freaking cold. This is Lefty. I'm walking back to the hotel with my items first because it's a little bit heavy. I got my on-top shoes, I got my makeup, and also the Sporty and Reach hoodie. Oh, pullover. It's so beautiful here in Madrid. God, this is so pretty at this place. Lunch at 3 p.m. We're at an outlet like Ferragamo. Hello, thank you. Okay, thank you. 10% off with the registration. Got it already. Anyways, I got this Sunglass Hut stuff. So I got Oakley. I've been wanting to get it for a while now because of I'm gonna start tennis, by the way. So I'm gonna be under the sun for like a long time, so I need sunglasses, like sports ones. So it was 50% off for my Oakleys, and then for my Prada it's just like for vanity. It's 50% off, and then I get like a 10% off as soon as I get in here. It's like their privilege members registration, just anyone can get like another 10% off on top of everything, and then I also get my tax refund for being a foreigner. So yeah, all in all I spent like 300 flat on 2 sunglasses, and I'm very, very happy. So as long as you bring your passport photo, just have it in your phone, you don't have to bring your actual passport, all's good. And then we're just gonna roam around. We just got done. It's 7 p.m. and it's so dark already. Bought so many things. Okay, highly recommend this shopping mall. I mean, highly recommend this outlet. So many things to buy. We're in Madrid airport, and then we're going to Porto, and we're taking Air Europa, and it took us so long to get here.